Hey, what's up, everybody? I am Jason, and you're watching my channel, Micro Investor. Alright, so in this video, I want to talk about Tesla. If you haven't heard, Tesla stock this week has just gone down, crashing with the earnings report of Q2, and a lot of that has to do with not hitting analyst expectations. So before I get started in this video, I want to let you know that I am a long-term investor in the Tesla, so some of my opinions might be a little biased. And with that being said, this video is not any sort of financial advice. I am literally just a dude in my car making a video that talks about stocks. All right, now let's get to it. So Tesla's revenue was $6.35 billion, and that's with 95,000 units sold. But they had an adjusted loss of $1.12 a share. So as many know, the analysts and the short sellers, the news, and everybody kind of just has it out for Tesla. As usual, that's usually what we hear, is there's always some sort of drama surrounded around Elon Musk, the company itself, etc. The analyst's new projections for Q3 for Tesla is only 6.7 billion, and that would be less than Q3 of 2018, which was 6.82 billion. That's where they hit back then. But just to throw out some numbers here, all right? So Q1 of 2018, Tesla was at $3.41 billion. At Q1 2019, Tesla was at $4.54 billion. Q2 2018, Tesla revenue was $4 billion, and Q2 2019, Tesla was $6.35 billion, and Q3 2018, Tesla was $6.82 billion, and they're expecting, the analysts are expecting $6.7 billion for Q3 2019. And just to give you the numbers on 2018, it was the year ended at 7.23 billion for 2018, and that was the rush to get the cars out in time for the tax break. So to me, it just seems like the analysts are being hard to please. As you can see, Q2 this year beat Q1. Also, the first 2 quarters of 2019 beat the first 2 quarters of 2018. So there is a lot of growth with Tesla, but still, analysts are not happy. But let's kind of break down things of what Tesla is doing, and to make more sense about why this company isn't really making any money. So currently Tesla has $5 billion in cash, and that is from money raised, as well as $614 million in free cash flow they got from Q2. But Tesla has $11 billion in debt, and that debt, you can't really compare it to like debt with like Ford or GM, because Ford and GM, a lot of their debt is their own financing that they have for their company. Tesla doesn't have its own financing. Pretty much this $11 billion with Tesla is just growth for the company, stuff that they're investing into, autonomous driving, their gigafactories, all their research, all that stuff is this $11 billion in debt. So one new thing that Tesla's doing, which does affect things here, and I haven't really seen the news talk about it, is Tesla just started leasing out vehicles, and that definitely will affect their numbers here, because that's a lease. That's not a vehicle sold. Another thing they're doing is they're building the Shanghai Gigafactory really fast, which is costing a lot of money. And when you think about that, they have to get the materials to make new vehicles, and they're ramping up new models. All that does cost a lot more money. And with the new Gigafactory opening in China, more than likely people in Asia are not buying Teslas, because they can just wait 6 months or less for the new Teslas to start rolling out in that Gigafactory, to buy them much cheaper than having to pay, one, to be transported over there, pay for tariffs, etc. They're going to save a lot of money just waiting, 5, 6, 7 months to just buy a brand new one there. And just to irritate anybody that doesn't like Tesla, and I'm sure a lot of the bulls will agree with me here, that I can see Tesla in quarter 3 doing much better than the 6.7 billion expected and hitting a number more like 8.5 billion, just basing off of simple math and the growth of this company. And I get that my numbers are very bullish, and that's obviously because I am a Tesla bull. And not only that, I don't mind the price of Tesla where it's at right now, because I'm not looking to sell it right now. I'm looking to hold on to it. So honestly, with it being where it's at, I got it at a discount, and I could have been buying it for a lot more money. So in a way, this kind of helped me out. All right, so with all that being said, I'm interested in knowing what other people have to say. So as always, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I have new videos coming out on my channel all the time. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time.